guys, welcome back to our channel, The Offbeat Couple, and today we are heading to Los Angeles. Currently I am in Dubai International Airport and I can't reveal much what's the plan in Los Angeles, but yeah, you'll come to know soon. But yeah, all excited for next 4 days. It's a place very close to my heart. I've been there 8 years back. Yeah, but looking forward for the whole experience in Los Angeles, the Hollywood, the Beverly Hills, the Santa Monica Beach. So yes, looking forward to this.
Alright guys, so it's 28th of April and we are ready to board our next flight, which is straight to Los Angeles. It's going to be a long one and it's also our marriage anniversary.
Yes.
So this makes it really special. We're traveling together again on this very special day. So really excited.
Yes. So guys, now we are in Dubai and we are heading to Los Angeles and we are flying the Emirates A380 business class. So I'll be reviewing the whole experience and I'm super excited because this is my first time traveling in business class on an A380. And Emirates, as you all know, it's one of the best hospitality and best carriers. So let's do this, guys.
Thank you so much. Well, it's upstairs.
Come on in. It's 19.
B&B both are set. Thank you.
From the Atlantic, this is your captain speaking. On behalf of the entire crew.
So guys, we are in the Emirates A380 business class cabin and I'm so excited to show you guys what's in here because I've heard a lot of reviews about it. It's one of the best cabins in the market, but I haven't experienced it, so this is my first time in the Emirates A380. So let's do this, guys. Let's start with the mini bar. This is the mini bar. That's super cool. Let's open this. So they have bottle of water, I think some Coke, Pepsi, some sparkling water as well. That's awesome. I mean, you don't need to call the attendant every time whenever you need something. So this is a very cool idea what I feel Emirates has done, and I don't think any other business class cabins has it. Very few of them has it, I think so. Then this is how you control all your entertainment, the screen, everything. I think there's a light over here, like people who wants to read over here, but it's a long hour flight. So yeah, these are some charging points, and they've given a tab as well over here. If you just want to watch something. That's the blanket over here, and they've given a nice loungewear. I'll just go in and change right now because it's a long flight. They've given slippers and eye mask, and that's the headphones. Let's see what do they have inside this. Box of tissue, a razor if you just want to quickly before you depart. What's this? Oh wow. Then we have Gillette shaving foam, lip balm, toothbrush, comb, I think. Yeah, it's a cool kit they've given us. I mean, hats off to Emirates, the way they've curated the whole toiletry kit. It's like best in the market. Yeah, so yeah, thumbs up. So they have two windows over here, so let's see how it works. Wow, that's so cool. That's the slippers what they're given, and this is the eye mask. It's a long journey. Last night we had a 4:30 a.m. flight from Mumbai to Dubai, and now it's a 16 hours flight. So yeah, I mean, all in all, this looks a perfect cabin. I mean, can't ask for better. And yeah, I'll have some breakfast and watch something, and I think just rest for a while. So there's one bar as well what I want to show you, so let's check that. So that's the best part, a lounge in the sky. Only Emirates can do this. I mean, look at this. You can't ask for better. The whole bar over here, you can just come sit over here on a long flight. It's beautiful. I mean, this is luxury at its best, and that's why it's Emirates. It's the best in the business. I mean, I think you can just spend your whole time over here. If you don't want to be seated on your seat, you can just chill here, have a drink, eat some snack. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I think I will be spending most of the time over here in the lounge. So let's have something. Now we are at the lounge, and it's beautiful over here. I mean, only Emirates can offer such kind of services. You can see there's a lot of sweets here, all the baklavas, the cakes, pastries. How's it going? Cheers. Having a good time?
Yeah, this is like amazing.
Perfect. Cheers. I'm having the old fashioned. Please right here. Hello, what's up? So now we've got lunch, and for the appetizers we're given some salad. I think that's cottage cheese, and I think this is falafel, some salad. Let's dig in. Guys, I just woke up, and it's just 4 hours to reach LA, and I'm super excited. Yes, it's been a busy day, but hats off to the hospitality offered by Emirates business class in A380. I mean, it's one of a kind experience, and I'm so glad I got to experience this time. And yeah, I mean, we'll have some dinner right now, and yeah, we are reaching LA in 4 hours, so looking forward to this. So guys, finally we've reached Los Angeles after a 16-hour long flight, and I must say Emirates has one of the best hospitality, and it was a wonderful flight. And yeah, it's 2:30 p.m. in Los Angeles, and yeah, looking forward for the experience of staying in Los Angeles. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, safe travels.